Hello everyone, this is Group 8. The name of our game is The Hungry Guy. In this game, the only input is the player's face. The player has to move his head and open his mouth to eat food, so that he can get 10 scoreses for each food. And eating non-food can deduct 10 scoreses. Eating wrench or knife will deduct 20 scoreses. We have developed this game in several aspects. First is the UI in the upper right corner. You can choose your virtual face among these 7 types. You can choose different levels of difficulties. You can also mute the background music and close the video at the bottom right corner. If everything's ready, you can click Start to play this game. We use the computer vision to grab the player's face landmarks so that we can get the position information of the mouse. Then is the computer graphics part. We drew and added some pictures of faces to use as the textures of face landmarks. We also used some online free models to construct our food and things like the table and the kitchen. And we used Blender to adjust these models, materials, textures, and so on. This is our fourth aspect we've done. We also used Physics.js to apply some physics effects to our models. You can see the food is thrown parabola, and it will bounce on the table. The sixth aspect is the music. We found 4 different pieces of music. One is used when loading. The other 3 is used in 3 levels. In the level design, we try to throw food with the music tempo so that it gives the feeling that you are face dancing with the music, which we think it will add some fun to this game. And we designed level 1 to be the simplest and level 3 to be the most difficult. You can feel that the music tempo is faster and the speed of throwing things is faster as the level rises. And there are more food types when you enter the next level. Last aspect is the sound effect. You can hear which indicates you eat something.
Now let me talk about the challenges we met during our game development. There are mainly 4 aspects of challenge: game logic, face texture, Physics.js, and 3D modeling. First, the challenge we met is the game logic. Because we develop our game from scratch, so we need to design and implement the overall framework, which includes object spawn, eating judgment, and moving, and all the logic stuff. The second challenge is about face texture, is how to render the face with our customized texture. So we use the UV coordinates provided by the CV module and set with the UV attribute of the face geometry. Then we can draw our texture picture and render the face with our customized texture. The third challenge is about Physics.js. We spent a lot of time to solve the capability issue with 3.js and learn how to use Physics.js. We added a constraint for objects coming from top and bottom of the screen and use only a simple sphere mesh for collection detection for each object to simplify the physical simulation. The final challenge is the 3D modeling. We learn about the Blender usage to modify 3D models. So we use it mainly to set up the game scene and adjust the origin for various game objects.